STRADA Speed Racers here. My name's Sam.
And I'm Rob.
And today we're doing another part of the build on the Maverick STRADA XT Evo.
Yes, so after the last episode we went to the shop.
Yeah.
Basically got a brushless setup.
Yes.
Electric speed controller, 9-turn motor, I think it's a 60 amp speed controller, and it's got a program card with it as well. That was what was in it. It was a 22-turn Maverick. So last time I said HPI, but it's actually a Maverick motor. So it's basically in there.
Yeah.
So now it's time to go and see how much quicker we made it go.
Yeah.
Or worse.
Yeah.
Right, let's get to the track actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Still needs some adjustment though.
Yeah.
Well, it holds the record now, doesn't it, for the track at the moment?
15:49.
Yeah, 15:49 was what was set by this.
Yeah.
And
that was 15:95.
What are you on about now?
Green one.
Oh, the FDA.
The AB1.
The AB1
Yes.
did have it, yeah, but that was the first thing to set a record anyway.
Yeah.
And that's brushed, and this is brushless.
Yeah.
So, yeah. We've still got more to do, so stay tuned, and we're
having a race in a minute.
we'll see how much better we can get this to go. After this now, we're going to have a little race around together, so we'll put that on.
Yeah.
We'll run the two latest vehicles, and we'll see how rubbish he really is in a proper race.
I got the 2 lap records.
Yeah, but that's not to do with a race, is it?
I
Right.
like the track better.
Okay. Right, hope you like the video.
Yeah.
So after this now will be the 2 cars racing around, hopefully, if he can stay on the track long enough.
Yeah.
So, hope you like.
Subscribe. If you didn't like it, tell us what's the matter with it.
Well, yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Also check out our Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.
Yeah, yeah,
Because we're usually on them.
yeah. And like I say, Instagram, you usually see stuff beforehand on there as well, before
Yeah.
any videos get uploaded. So, yeah, so this is the end of part 2.
Yep.
But there'll be some footage now.
And if you have any tips on how to make it better, please tell us.
Well, yeah, you know, you might have ideas as well.
Yeah.
I've got a couple, like ride height, that might help.
Yeah.
So, right.
See you in the next video, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Cheerio.